Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing how to make simple tutti frutti cake. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. First preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup of butter. Butter should be at room temperature. 1 cup of sugar. Whisk them well till the mixture is light and fluffy. Scrape off the sides. Add 2 eggs. Beat the eggs well till the mixture is light and fluffy. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give it a mix. One and a half cups of all-purpose flour or MAIDA. Add a pinch of salt. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix till a creamy batter is formed. Make sure there are no air bubbles. Add half cup of tutti frutti. Gently give it a mix. Take a baking tray and grease it with butter. Transfer the batter to the tray. Level it on the top and add some tutti fruttis on the batter. Place it in the oven, preheat oven. Bake the cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes. Cake is baked well. Transfer it to a plate. Cut it into equal parts. Simple tutti frutti cake is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.